I'm here at the Gold Souk. This is a very popular tourist destination, and this Gold Souk is located in the Dubai Creek area, right next to the Spice Souk. This is a very traditional market, and it's not like a mall. There are hundreds of stores here, and they are primarily selling gold jewelry. But of course, they also sell silver, diamonds, and other precious and semi-precious stone jewelry. I was looking at all the jewelry in the window display, and I could say they had a lot of 22 karat gold jewelry. And I could say they were 22 karat gold because they were bright yellow in color. And moreover, I know that 22 karat gold is more popular in this part of the world. Before I go on and on about carats, let me just tell what a carat is. Carat is a measurement of the ratio of gold to other metals or alloys. Carats are measured on a scale from 0 to 24. Since gold is a very malleable metal, it is used in combination with an alloy to make gold jewelry. For example, rose gold jewelry would have alloy of copper. They would have used copper in with gold to make rose gold jewelry, and similarly, they'd use silver or nickel to make white gold. Along with gold, they'd use silver or nickel or palladium to use to make white gold. But these days they use less of nickel because more and more people are allergic to nickel in gold, so they use more silver. There are other colored golds as well, like green gold, blue gold, purple gold, gray gold, and black gold. These colors are achieved by adding various chemicals and heat treatments, and by adding other alloys too. And by the way, oil is called black gold, but there's actually black gold. Okay. Since gold is a very malleable metal, it is almost always used in combination with an alloy to make jewelry. And speaking about the malleability of gold, I remembered one thing. Gold can be drawn into a very thin wire and stretched considerably before it breaks. And also, a single gram of gold can be beaten into a sheet of 1 square meter. So just imagine how malleable the gold is. Just one more fact, and I'll tell you about a very interesting thing that happened to me at the souk, at the gold souk. Gold is resistant to most acids, although it does dissolve in aqua regia, a mixture of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. So it dissolves in alkaline solutions of cyanide, which are used in mining and electroplating. How do I know this? I grew up in a mining town, and where I grew up, we used to have cyanide hills made from the waste material after extracting gold. So I know a little bit about gold dissolving in alkaline solutions of cyanide. After seeing all the large pieces in the display windows, I got curious about the cost, and I was wondering who would buy these jewelry and why would they buy these larger pieces. I just wanted to know. So I decided to enter a store and ask them the details, like how much it costed and who would wear it and for what occasions they would wear such large pieces of jewelry. Some of them, as you could see, were shirts, like t-shirts. So I decided to enter a store that had beautiful window display and beautiful jewelry in their window display, and I told him I'm not here to buy any jewelry, but I just had a few questions, and he was kind enough to answer my questions, and then he asked me if I'd like to try on some of those larger pieces and just see. So I did, and it was a very interesting moment for me, because all the jewelry that I was wearing was worth $250,000, $250,000. So yeah, that was once in a lifetime opportunity to wear so many pieces of gold jewelry. As always, thank you for watching the videos, and I appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best. Thank you.